Alluvial gold processing without sticky clay. Capacity 100 TPH. This setup is a 100 pth alluvial gold processing plant, which is configured with a movable trommel screen to remove oversized rocks without sticky clay, sluice box to catch the fine gold and gold nuggets, centrifugal concentrator to catch 0 to 6 mm fine gold, shaking table to recovery 0 to 2 mm gold concentrate. 1. Feeding hopper with grizzly bar feed the raw material to trommel screen and grizzle the big stones, such as more than 100 mm, by the grizzly bar, then trommel screen to wash the alluvial gold ore without sticky clay, and screen out of the different particle size. 2. This waste sand which overscreens the materials of the trommel is transported by a belt conveyor. 3. The middle materials 6 to 20 mm from the trommel screen will go to a coarse sluice box to catch plus 6 mm nugget. The trommel screen mesh size can be made according to gold concentrate size condition. 4. Under-screen materials of trommel are sent to the centrifugal concentrator by a slurry pump. Centrifugal concentrator is to concentrate 0 to 6 mm fine gold. 5. Tailings of centrifugal concentrator will be sent to fine sluice box for recovering more gold. 6. In order to increase the purity of gold content, concentrates of centrifugal concentrator will be sent to a shaking table for recovery of 0 to 2 mm fine gold. This flowchart is suitable for some types of alluvial ores, especially alluvial gold without sticky clay. If the raw material has much more sticky clay, we can replace it with the trommel scrubber. Some brief about the main equipment. This trommel screen is designed with mobile wheels for portable transport. Also can be made stationary type as per request. The sluice box can be designed by kinds of length, e.g., 2 meters, 4 meters, 6 m, and width, e.g., 1 meter or 0.5 meters, according to different raw materials capacities. The centrifugal concentrator catches gold particles 6 mm below. According to different capacities, we can provide STLB 30, STLB 60, STLB 80, etc. The shaking table can be designed by length 2100 * width 1050 mm and length 4500 * width 1850 mm or up to your requirements.